Hi everyone, today I'm here at Nemours Mansion and Gardens to view the beautiful estate of Alfred Dupont. This is the largest formal garden in all of North America. The garden currently sits on 300 acres. About 30 of the acres are formal gardens, and the house itself is 47,000 square feet with 77 rooms. So I think there's a lot to look at, so let's take a look around. So now we're over at the reflecting pond, and apparently when the Duponts were living here, this was actually a 6-foot deep swimming pool where they used to not only swim, but it also says boat. But right about now it looks to be about 2 to 3 feet deep to me. So the area here behind me is called the Colonnade, and this is a memorial to Alfred's great-great-grandfather on one side and great-grandfather on the other side. So now I'm here at the Southern Gardens, where we have a boxwood garden, 4 long borders, and also what they call the turtle garden. So now we're at a garden called the Temple of Love, and the crowning glory of this garden is the statue of Diana the Huntress in an old school garden temple. It looks like also there's a lot of shrub borders in this area and some long drifts where they just planted cannas. So let's take a look around. So I'm here in the sunken garden now, and while most of the plantings are quite French, this planting feels much more English in nature. And apparently this garden was designed by Alfred's only son, who was also named Alfred. And all these fountains are normally on. In fact, I might have some pictures from when I came here about 10 years ago when the water was flowing. It was so beautiful.